it's easy for us to think everyone else has got it better than us. They've got more than us. And so this cropped up a few times for me, and I nipped it in the bud really quickly before it got a hold. This idea, I've talked about it before, I'm too slow, this person's faster, they're blah, 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 therefore I'm not good enough. And what this really comes from is a belief that if someone has more than me, is doing better than me, it means they're more valuable than me, therefore I'm worthless. That's what's really going on here, if you're wondering what the story is behind the scenes when you feel this. Now, remember, our job in life is not to remove negative, or let's not call them negative, I prefer the term unpleasant or uncomfortable emotions. That's not going to happen. But what we can do is manage them so that we dial them down and we can keep moving forward, or so that we recover from them more quickly. That's called resilience. Resilience is not the act of not feeling something we don't want to feel. It is the act of recovering from it quickly. It's not about not getting knocked down. It's about getting knocked down and getting up more quickly. That's what resilience means. So it's a good thing to feel these emotions and work our way through them quickly and to keep going.